What's up, Hedera Hashgraph? Hold your 14.23% profit. I can't expect this, my friend, from Hedera Hashgraph. Today will give us, my friend, 14.23% profit. But that's true, my friend, as you can see here on the chart now. And definitely all credit goes, my friends, to holders now, because they are all just and only hard doing very hard work. So therefore, this is the result now. My friend, in upcoming days, there is 100% chances so they will give you a profit and they will make you a millionaire now, but not like this. Absolutely, when a coin, my friend, will pumps up and definitely holder are starting selling. So therefore, I will notify you to please. This is not a good time to you will starting selling. Please hold it. I hope they will give you a very good profit. So my friends, Hedera Hashgraph is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. You can see here, my friend, 14.23% they will just get a profit in last 24 hours. So that's mean, my friends, to upcoming every day, my friends, they will get a profit very highly. So please, if you want to get a profit in very short time, now subscribe this channel and please press the bell icon for videos notification. Every day, my friend, the price will pumps up, but in those days, my friend, I think it's going to be very, my friends, very critical now, my friend. Everybody know this, my friends, to win a crypto market is not convertible, so all coin were very badly face down. So therefore, I think, my friend, the crypto market is not compatible. But kindly holder, please, if you want to get a profit now, just and only do this what I tell you. Otherwise, you will be very badly lost now. My subscriber, my viewers, please, and those days every coin will pumps up, but definitely for a very short time. So therefore, I will notify you to, if you want, my friends, to get a profit in a very short time now, just and only hold it in those days. I hope to my friends, Hedera Hashgraph will give you a profit. See you next time. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.